Hello viewers, in this video we'll see how to make vegetable sandwich. These sandwiches can be made with any vegetable of your choice. Here I've taken 1 cup each of carrots, beans, peas and potatoes. To start off, place the cooked vegetables in a bowl. Smash them coarsely. Add in 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon of Cumin Powder, half a tablespoon of dhania or coriander seeds powder, and required amount of salt. Combine these well. Now take 2 slices of bread and place a few spoonfuls of this mixture on one slice. And cover with a second slice. Next, to a heated pan, apply some butter, place the prepared sandwich and press down lightly. Drizzle some melted butter around and apply some butter on top. When the bottom side turns golden, flip and toast on the second side. When both sides are golden and toasted, remove from pan and serve hot. Do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to never miss our videos. Enjoy!